Hello everyone, I am Prabhu Prasad Vishwal. Today I will discuss about a topic called atomic displacement in quantum crystal. Before going through the core part of this topic, I want to clarify that what is an atom and what is the atomic displacement. So an atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. This is how an atom looks like. We can see in this video. Now, how atomic displacement physically observed? So basically, when the atom moves through the lattice encountering other lattice atoms, such encounters may result in sufficient energy transfer to displace this lattice atom from its site, resulting in two displaced atoms, and this is called atomic displacement. On the other hand, we can define quantum crystal. A quantum crystal is one in which the zero-point motion of an atom about its equilibrium position is a large fraction of the near neighbor distance. So, what is the physical meaning of atomic displacement of the quantum crystal? Is it what it looks like? Let's going through what and why such things can be happen in our condensed matter physics. So this topic goes in 4 phases. So first part is introduction. In introduction, the displacements of atoms and molecules away from lattice sites in helium and para-hydrogen solids at low temperature have been studied by means of quantum Monte Carlo simulations. Also, after observation in the BCG phases of helium-3 and helium-4, atomic displacements are largely quantum mechanical type. Now, in the model part of the experiment, the solid helium and para-hydrogen are modeled as ensembles of n-point-like particles of spin 0 enclosed in a parallelepipedal cell of volume omega with periodic boundary conditions. You can see the quantum mechanical many-body Hamiltonian edge as follows this expression, where the value of lambda as written here, while V is the potential describing the interaction between two particles, atoms or molecules. The result presented here for the helium isotopes were obtained using the Asbury potential, whereas the Silvera-Goldman potential was used for para-hydrogen atom. Now in the methodology part, we are already aware that this is a fairly well established Monte Carlo methodology. The formula of mean square displacement of a particle away from lattice site in a crystal at temperature T we can see as this equation, the equation 1, where Bi is a set of fixed lattice positions consistent with the crystal structure of interest, where the integral stands for quantum mechanical thermal averages and the integral is over the imaginary time path of Ri of the ith particle. And also it is possible to identify two separate contributions to U square. We can write U square equals to U square Q plus U square T, where u square q as expressed in first equation and the u square t as expressed in second equation. Now in final we have a relationship between u square and n. Now go for results. In the result part, let's first consider helium-4 atom. In the given curve, the curve is fitted as the expression alpha plus beta into n to the power minus 2 by 3. The curve is the mean square atomic displacement versus 1 upon number of particles n. So by taking melting temperature T equals to 1.6 and density rho equals to 0.02854 in the helium-4 atom, we can conclude that the extrapolated value of mean square atomic displacement is 1.080 Armstrong square, and the resulting Lindemann ratio is del equals to 0.291 for helium-4 BCC atom. Now for helium-3 atom, the BCC helium-3 atom, the curve is also fitted as the alpha plus beta into n to the power minus 2 by 3 expression. Here also, if we take the melting temperature T equals to 0.65 Kelvin and the density rho equals to 0.02458, we can extrapolate the value of mean square atomic displacement of the BCC3 helium atom is 1.670 Armstrong square, and also the Lindemann ratio can be del equals to 0.344. For para-hydrogen atom, the curve is fitted using the expression alpha plus beta into n to the power 1 by 3. At different temperatures, a density rho equals to 0.0261, we can extrapolate the value of mean square atomic displacement of HCP para-hydrogen is 0.622 Armstrong square, and the resulting Lindemann ratio is del equals to 0.208. So now from results we got that there are some atomic displacement occurred in quantum crystals like solid helium-4, helium-3 and para-hydrogen like atoms. Even they can measure too in the form of mean square atomic displacement along with the Lindemann ratio. In helium-4 atom, the mean square atomic displacement is 1.080 Armstrong square and the Lindemann ratio is 0.291. And the helium-3 atom, the mean square atomic displacement is 1.670 Armstrong square, while the Lindemann ratio is 0.344. Also for para-hydrogen atom, the mean square atomic displacement is 0.622 Armstrong square, along with resulting Lindemann ratio is del equals to 0.208. In conclusion, we found that the physics of these two crystals at melting is largely dominated by quantum mechanics. Also, the molecular displacement of solid para-hydrogen is clearly temperature dependent, and the extrapolated values of the mean square atomic displacement of helium atoms of both helium-4 and helium-3 and the para-hydrogen is shown here, as they can be considered as quantum crystals. I have some references also for this topic. Here I have written some. So I am done. Thank you.